If you want to offer live and on-demand versions of your course, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to do exactly that step by step. Whether you're launching your first course or expanding an existing one, offering both live and on-demand options gives your audience flexibility and maximizes your reach. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to choose a platform that supports both live streaming and on-demand hosting. Not all platforms are created equal, and after testing the most popular ones, I've narrowed it down to one I highly recommend, and you can access an exclusive free trial for it in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've got your platform set up, here's the first step. Set up your live course. This is where you'll interact with your students in real time. You can schedule these sessions at regular intervals, for example weekly or monthly, depending on your content and your audience's needs. During these live sessions, make sure to keep things engaging. Incorporate Q&As, polls, and interactive elements to create a dynamic experience for your students. Next, let's talk about the on-demand version. This is the beauty of offering flexibility. After each live session, you can record it and upload it as an on-demand video for your students to watch whenever they want. To make it even better, consider editing the recording slightly. Cut out any technical glitches or long pauses and add slides or notes if necessary. This way, your students can learn at their own pace, which opens the door to more learners who prefer this style. Now let's talk about course access. You'll need to create a system where students can sign up for either live or on-demand versions, or both. A great way to offer this is by setting up tiered pricing. For example, if someone wants full access, they can sign up for the live course plus the on-demand version, while others can just opt for the on-demand version at a lower price. To make your course even more valuable, integrate a discussion or community feature. This can be a live chat during the live session, or a forum where students can interact with each other after watching on-demand content. Creating this sense of community helps increase engagement and overall satisfaction with your course. When it comes to promoting your course, use a combination of live session alerts and on-demand content previews. You can tease upcoming live sessions on social media and provide clips or highlights of past sessions to show the value of your content. This builds anticipation and keeps students coming back. Lastly, the platform you're using should provide you with detailed analytics. This is crucial for understanding how your live and on-demand courses are performing, what's resonating with your audience, and where you can improve. Make sure to monitor these insights regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. So here's the key takeaway. Offering both live and on-demand versions of your course can help you meet the needs of a wider audience, increase engagement, and boost revenue. By choosing the right platform, creating engaging content, offering flexible pricing, and integrating community features, you can create a course that truly works for everyone. Quick recap. Choose the right platform, set up live sessions and on-demand content, offer tiered pricing, integrate community, and keep an eye on your analytics. Before we close, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so take advantage of it. Thanks for watching and good luck creating your course.